Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on, and boy, I'm stepping on it today. If you could see, if you followed the video yesterday, we are moving to a new place, and A VO's Journey studio is being broken down. Yes, it's very sad. This is inside the Whisperroom, and you can see I took off the side. So when I bought the Whisperroom, it came with an acoustical package. Well, I purchased the acoustical package. And these panels, if you see the panels down on the bottom, they go along these ridges and create, indents and stuff for sound waves to get trapped. On this side here, okay, that is the side that I put up insulation, and I've taken it down, but I put up insulation here. I also want to show you the mountain of foam and all kinds of stuff that went into the Whisperroom in order to make it what it was. Now, when I first started, there was a lot I didn't know about the Whisperroom, about acoustics and things like that, and dampening. So, I was just shoving everything I could in there. But now as I know a lot more, you know what I mean? These actual panels are actually great, these ridges, because you can put insulation, Owens Corning on there, or specific bass traps and stuff, and almost like is it anaerobic, something, not anaerobic, but whatever, there's that feel where it traps the sound waves and makes it super quiet and deaden the noise. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys kind of what it looks like. I've got to pull this out, the insulation. It's literally just up against the wall with a sheet covering it. But that's Owens Corning 703, and it really does a fantastic job of silencing it. But I thought this would be a cool video to show you, because a lot of times, whenever I did videos in here, you never saw this. The TV screen was up there. You could see I built, let's go in there a little bit here, and you can see I had built this. Now Whisperroom actually makes something that attaches to the wall. Okay, but at the time they didn't have that. So I built this just by screwing on an extra piece, and this is where my screen went, and the microphone was over here, if you remember, and then that was the mouse and the keyboard and stuff. But yeah, so basically also these lights up here, they're LED lights as well. But they also detach and stuff like that. And so that's a cool thing. Because it's all done by all done by Velcro, which is super cool about the Whisperroom. But so if you can see, yeah, so it's literally held together by these little screws. That's basically it. So these screws hold the whole thing together, and it's built so it fits together. You know what I mean? In a certain way. So anyways, that's kind of the cool thing on my particular one. I have a window on the outside. Now, a lot of them do have windows that you could put on the side, but I didn't want that for the extra reflection. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty crazy to see how this is coming apart. And, this is the next video in the journey. So thank you guys as always for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, the cool thing is A VO's Journey Elite Academy is not going anywhere. Cool thing is we have multiple coaches, 5 different coaches that work, and we're still doing our 5 classes a week. So we'd love to have you join if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. There'll be a link below for that. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Monday, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.